Hello friends, welcome back into this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use voice typing features in your Google Doc to type fast your information, or if you are tired of using your hands, or if you find that you want to type fast, you want to type more details in your Google Doc in a few minutes. Also, you can use voice typing features. So what you need is to be having the best pronunciations of the language that you're going to be typing. So especially English language is the one which is going to be supported for while using voice typing in Google Doc, because Google Doc is going to read English, and you need also to be able to spell correctly the words you are using, the sentences you are using, and you need to be able to use the verbs or the sentences that are being heard by, or that are being recognized by the computer. Also, you need to be having your microphone active in your computer. So what you need to do now, if you didn't subscribe first to this channel, Normax TV, please subscribe now, like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Normax TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. You want now to type in your Google Doc. You see, I can now type in my Google Doc. So this is now I can use this one for typing in my Google Doc. Yes, I can type summary data in my Google Doc. So you see now. So now I'm typing manually in my Google Doc. So now this is what you can be doing while typing manually in your Google Doc. But you may need to type by using voice typing. What does voice typing do? Voice typing is a Google Doc feature or Google Doc tool which is going to help you by reading what you are saying and recognizing them, so it will be typing it in your Google Doc rather than typing it manually. So where can I find it? So now, if you want to find out voice typing feature in your Google Doc, so you need to come here to the top. You can see there are tools. There are tools here. So tools in Google Doc. After going to tools in Google Doc, you come and click on tools. So when you are clicked on Google Tools, you can scroll down here and see voice typing, or you can click Ctrl Shift plus S. When you click Ctrl plus Shift plus S at the same time, I'm going to see this voice typing feature in your Google Doc. Remember, you need to have, as you can see here, there is voice typing. You see, it is using microphone of your computer. You need to be able, sure that your microphone is working well, so it will be recording all the information you want to spare in your Google Doc. So now let's start. What to do now if you want to start using this Google Doc? You need to click on it. You can see. Once I clicked on it, there is a notification here which is saying click to speak, which means when I click there, I'm going to start now speaking, and it is going to start listening and recognizing what I'm saying. Then it types there. So now let's click there and speak. You're going to see. So first of all, you can choose to bring your cursor where you want to start typing. Then after clicking there, you can set a format of font style of what you want to be typing. After setting the format of what you want to be typing, now you can also choose to add font size, maybe 15 times New Roman. You can also choose to be bolded. Once it is bolded, now you can start typing. So now let me click there. So I click here to start. When I click there, I'm going to start speaking. Now we are going to be looking there. What is the change? Now it is started. You see, you see now they are having the issue so they are having the issue of hearing me if you have seen there. So we can go back. Can you go back? This is my phone. So you see now, this is my phone, my pronunciations. When I pronunciate any word in other meaning, it is going to recognize other thing rather than saying. So I should have said this, but I said this. What you say in your computer is going to be recognized according to the pronunciation. Remember, the English you are using is going to be pronunciated according to the language that you are using in your computer. If you are using United States English, it is going to be recognized as in the way of United States English. So now, let's try typing the given sentence. The development of national companies and management of the social affairs, which are the key components of economic, social, and political developments. So you can see now. So once I'm done, I click stop. So you can see now you can be able to type fast, you can be able to type more than once you want, and you can be able to increase our speed. If you are not able, or if you are having any problem in typing because of maybe you are tired of using your hands, maybe you have been typing from the morning to evening and you want to keep typing, so you can use this way. You can go in the Google Doc, open tools there as we have been showing you, and click on microphone to start speaking. Once you start speaking, and make sure when you want to stop there on microphone, because if you don't stop, it is going to be recognizing other sounds around you, which can cause it to be recognizing the information you don't want. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be using voice typing feature in Google Sheet. Type if you wish to type by using voice typing, you can use these ways. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. If you have comment, suggestion, or if you have any something to tell us, or if you have any kind of wishes you want that so that you can make video for you, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you very much.